What's the meaning of crane fly? Crane fly. Crane fly.
Crane fly. Crane fly. A cranefly is a large, slender insect with long legs that resemble those of a crane. They are often mistaken for mosquitoes due to their similar appearance, but they do not bite or feed on blood. Craneflies are harmless to humans and are commonly found in grassy areas or near water sources. They play an important role in the ecosystem as they serve as prey for many birds and animals. Overall, craneflies are interesting insects that are beneficial to the environment and pose no harm to humans.